Hi, how are you? Hope all you are good. Today we are going to do an experiment of our A7670G SIM module series, and today we are going to do how you can use A7670G module to connect internet and access the MQTT broker. Actually, today we are going to do how to make a connection with A7670 with MQTT broker. You know what is MQTT broker? MQTT is the protocol, very lightweight protocol for our IoT and in device like ESP32 and low computing device. You know, it is very lightweight. So for this experiment you need a MQTT broker. Actually that's MQTT server. So there are many free server in the internet, public broker. You can use one of them for testing purpose, but if you experiment your own and to deploy in the production, you must need a MQTT broker of your own. Okay, so you can use any secure like AWS IoT Core or HiveMQ, but you can also install or set up your own MQTT broker on the cloud. Okay, I have a separate video where I describe details about how you can buy a VPS. You can set up your own mosquito broker there to access the MQTT, and you can secure them with username, password, and also I describe all the video link in the description. Please check this video, you got an idea. Okay, so in this experiment today, the SIM A7670 and ESP32 module pin diagram is same as before, but those are new. For those them I put the circuit diagram in the screen. Please pause the video and make the circuit like that. And if you need to how the setup is going on and how to give proper power, I have a separate video. I also give the link in the description. Please watch the video so you can understand from begin how to you can connect these two modules. Okay, so I give power on the SIM module with my PC and also the okay, I just connect these two. Okay, let's code. Okay, I just open the code. The code link will be in the description. Please check the code. And we need to library here. You already knows this library, TinyGSM client library, and this is the PubSubClient library. This library is for our MQTT connection. Okay, and this is the MQTT broker credential. Actually, the broker address, IP address, port, username, password, and we need topic for publish topic and subscribe topic. Okay, so you need, if your own broker, you just change the broker address and the credential, and that's it. And all this stuff is same, remains same as before. And this is the callback function. So any message comes from the server or other devices to these devices, this function will act them to print out those messages. Okay, so this is the actually the setup. You when you look the code, you will understand. As just right now I just send a hello from devices message to the server, and we also check we also try to send message from our server another client to this client, this device. Okay, so I just run the code. Okay, I just uploading the code, and let's check what happened. Okay, I uploaded code and open the serial monitor, so you can see the serial messages, and the SIM module is initializing good. Okay, it's got the IP address and it's asking the modem to sync with NTP. Okay, so it's connecting to the broker address. It's success, that means it's already connected, and I think it's publishing the message hello from devices. So let's open the MQTT another client here, and this is MQTTX, and this is very good desktop application for MQTT, and it's receiving the message. You can see hello from devices, and the topic name is device/status. Okay, so this is the real data coming from the devices. Okay, I just cleared the data, previous data, and let's check is the data coming from or not. Okay, hello from devices. So this data is coming right now, and you can see in the code with the subscribe, the topic name is device/command, and you can see the subscribe topic is assigned here, mqtt.subscribe topic. And if I send message using this topic, any message, it will print, it will get the devices. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, hello, I'm from desktop, and you can see message arrived on topic device/message hello from device desktop. And also we can write a message and send another, and you can see hello, I am from desktop. So you can send any command in the devices, and you can send the sensor data or the status, anything from devices to the MQTT broker. Okay, so this is the basic communication of SIM A7670 with the MQTT broker, and next time we will use to create a beautiful GUI user interface, so to visualize the data. Okay, so next time we will add this. Okay, so that's it today, and if you find any useful any useful to this video from my video, please subscribe my channel and enjoy. Thank you.